So here's my solution to a suspension model jet ski with the seat that goes up and down. Um, there is no straps. There is no way to do that with straps and bungees on this particular model. So there's a bunch of feet there. Now it's suspended, as you can see. It's suspended. Looks like it's just going to fall off, but it's not. As you can see, there it is. All I did was I welded some bolts or some nuts into this into the feet here, and then drilled holes right through the lid and screwed it all in. So that is my solution here. Anyhow, it's clean. Weight distribution should be good because these feet are right in the middle of the box, and I have rod holders, and I'll be fabricating some other stuff so I can fit my other fishing gear on here. Anyhow, hope you guys like it. Can't wait to put it to use. Peace.